Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jado One, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. We got an in-hand review in our own feet of Adidas Yeezy Slide Bone. At first, I thought it was a pure. I didn't even know which one I was ordering on Champs. When I did on the app, it did it ship to me. So I did win the Bone. That's what it's called, the Bone. So you go to Gold, StockX, you know what I'm saying? Just type in Bone, Yeezy Slide, you know what I'm saying? Whatever, and it will pop up. So I got a size 12 and a size 6 I hit on the Champs app, but I also hit a size 10 in the all black Yeezy Slide as well. So it was a good overall day when I did the ship to me. So that's one thing about good thing about they bring to ship to me on Foot Locker and Champs. I love that they brought ship to me, man. I love that what they did. So in case you know, you don't live in the same state or you know, that places that get the shoe, you could do ship to me. I love that. I like that a lot for sure. So salute to Champs and Foot Locker for doing that. Cause boy, it was times that I'm from Cincinnati, so we get some shoes. Most time we don't. And like Yeezy Slides, we be getting Yeezy Slides here every now and then, but not how often other places do. Like big markets like Chicago, LA. There's basically like big markets for real. A lot of big marketplaces with shoes. And Cincinnati not a big marketplace when it comes to shoes. So I'm just happy overall. Your boy wants some sizes, and plus I could do an on feet review, in-hand review for you guys. So in review in our own feet of the Adidas Yeezy Bone Slides, man. So these joints are definitely nice for sure, man. But I will say, if you do get this pair, please take care of them joints because they are super light. I'm not talking about the color. I'm not talking about like on feet. They are on light on the feet, by the way, too. But I'm saying it's a colorway. They are super light. That's why I call them the Bone. They are super light, so they will get dirty real easy. So make sure you take care of them, clean them, because when they look dirty, they're gonna look dirty. Think about, oh wow, these get dirty super easy. So I'm just letting y'all know now. Getting y'all the heads up. But get y'all the heads up on all that good stuff. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, let's go get that shoe out, man. Here they go. So all, you know what I'm saying, foam runners, shoes, any type of Yeezy will come in a box like this. So the slides will just say slide on there. It won't say the colorway on, like right here, just say slide. Or if it's like a 350 for 700, you know what I'm saying, the boot, all that, it will say on here. It'd be so many Yeezys that come out, bro. My mind be twisting and getting crazy. But like I said, any shoe of a Yeezy will be on here. But the foam runners will be in like a box you want to know. But until you open it, it will say foam runner. So yeah, look, no, so let y'all know on that. It's a Yeezy Slide made by Adidas. Got your boy size 12. And it says Yeezy Slide size 12, bone. And retail price, I got these other taxes was like $80 or $85. Either it was around those ranges, either one, you know what I'm saying? So let's go get the shoe out, man. Bang! Here they go, man. Adidas Yeezy Slide Bone joints, man.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up.
Like I said, super clean colorway. When I do Yeezy Slides or like any type of like foam runners or Yeezy Slide, the foam runners, it's pretty straightforward on far as like, really can't say too much on the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Basically, the whole shoe is made of boost. The whole shoe is made of boost. That's what makes the shoe 10 times more comfortable in my personal opinion. That's why I say I don't mind wearing these. Even though I would love to wear these all year round. I would love to wear these all year round, but when wintertime, it gets super cold, like 10 degrees, 11 degrees, you know what I'm saying, snow. You can't wear foam runners and Yeezy Slides, but sometimes if it's not snow or anything like that, you could go ahead and thug it out, put them on with a thick sock on and keep it pushing. But as long as you don't be outside for too long, you can thug it out. But normally I don't wear Yeezy Slides or foam runners during the wintertime for real, because like I said, it gets super cold and snow most of the time. So, but like I said, here they go, man. Like I said, the colorway is super light. So when you do wear these joints, man, if you do decide to get these or wear these, just be careful, man, because these will get dirty super easily. Trust me, because look how light these are. And then like if I even put somebody step on this boy, you're gonna see a whole dirt scuff mark on there super easily. So in case people out there like, I don't want no more. But like I said, they are super comfortable. I promise you, they are super comfortable. So we'll get the other slide out. And also comes with this as well. I'm gonna get this out. Boom, as always comes off. I'm sure can y'all tell it? Size 12, boom. It's a Yeezy slide, boom. There we go right there. There you go, man. Adidas Yeezy slide bone joints, man. It's a size 12, by the way. So I always get this question all the time. I always get this question. How do they run? How the size run? Normally Yeezy slides, they run real small. So they don't come in half size, by the way. So they don't have a 10.5, 9.5, 8.5. They don't come in half sizes. And it's all one size. So say if you're on Adidas Confirm app, I'm looking for a grade school size. It's all one size. I'm trying to sell the size 6. Well, I got size 6s. I don't know the grade school. It's all one size. So, because they got one size in like these, and then they have the preschool and they have toddler. So they don't have grade school sizes. It's all one size. It'll be under the man, basically. That's what they're basically saying. So I guess it will start in a size 4, 5, all the way up to like, I think it'll go, the biggest they got is like a 16, I believe. So 16, 17, something like that. But in case y'all didn't know that, but like I said, they run super small. Me personally, I wear 11, 11.5, so I get a 12, and the 12 fits me perfectly fine. Y'all will see on a video in a quick second on how these run and how they look on my feet. Cause like I said, I wear size 11, 11.5. So these are 12 too, by the way. So y'all could tell like, okay, now I see what I'm working with. Now I know what to do with it. So in case y'all wondering like how they run or questions on about like how to buy them, or if you still got any questions, you know what I'm saying, just comment down below or shoot me a DM for sure, man. So, but here they go. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward to it. Like I said, the whole shoe is made of boost. So it got your little spikes on there. I call them little spikes on there. Of course, you got your Adidas logo right here. If I can see that. Because with the Yeezy, you really can't go too in depth on the shoe. Like I said, the whole shoe is made of boost. So that's why you feel like it's like a foam type material, but the whole shoe is made of boost. So it's gonna make the shoe even 10 times comfortable. So let's go get this on feet going, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. I'll be right back, man. Let's get it.
You will only see some real niggas around me. Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the...
Back from my own feet. So like I said, I do wear size 12 in the Yeezy slides or my foam runners. But like I said, I wear 11, 11.5 in like normal shoes like Dunks or Jordans or anything like that. Certain Jordans I wear 12, but it just depends. But overall, I wear 11, 11.5. So these size 12s fits me perfectly fine. A 13 will fit me real good too, but I think a 13 will be super big on my foot, to be honest with you. But a 12 fits me perfectly fine. So in case, like I said, y'all wondering like what size should you get or whatnot, like I said, they run super small. They don't come in half sizes. So if you wear a 9, don't get that 9, get a 10. Listen to what I'm trying to tell you. If you wear a 9, right, and some shoes, don't get a 9. They don't come in half sizes. Get a 10. Please, trust me. I don't want y'all to make that same mistake I did when I first bought some slides. I bought slides in 11. I wear 11. Man, my foot hanging off here like this. You know, this is a 12, but my foot was hanging off when I got my actual size 11. I was like, man, I was so salty, bruh. I thought I was doing my thing when I put them on. I was like, man, it was super tight right here. Like, super tight. I'm like, oh, heck no. Let me take these back. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm letting y'all know. I'm giving y'all the heads up, man, so y'all can know, like, y'all the one said, okay, they don't have half sizes, but they go a whole size because they come in whole sizes. So if I wear a 9, I would get that 10. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking out for y'all, man. Y'all my family, so I'm looking out for y'all for sure, man. But like I said, retail price on these, I got them for Champs was 85. Like resale right now on GOAT or StockX, the price is not bad at all on these right now. And I think they're gonna go down even more. That's another thing too I want to talk about before I end this video. These will go down in the wintertime because people are not gonna rock the Yeezy slides. Especially on the East. I'm from the East Coast. So the West Coast, maybe because it's hot over there. But on the East Coast, no, I ain't gonna wear no Yeezy slides. So these will go down even more. Especially if they keep restocking on these and the black ones and the brown or any other color. So be on the lookout or just be patient. That's another good thing too. Not a lot of people want to get Yeezy slides right now, but be patient, because you never know. The market's gonna go down on these because it's about to get cold. It's about to be the winter time, about to be fall, about to be raining more, snowing. You know what I'm saying? Wherever you're from. So be on the lookout. The market's going to drop. I'm calling it. It's in August. Watch. He's gonna drop for sure. They're already low right now as it is. They're even gonna be even lower. But they will go back up next summer. They will go back up next summer. Just letting y'all know the heads up, man. But that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing a little support as always, man. Like I said, got a video for today, got a video tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. It's 4 days. And plus I'm gonna have some pairs in the Central 7s. I might grab a personal pair. It's a classic. I mess around, grab a pair. I don't know. We're gonna see, you know what I'm saying? I don't really be rocking the J's like that. I got used to. I might grab them just to grab them. So we gonna see, man. But like I said, that's it for the video. Like I said, that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. Follow me all platforms down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Jordan 1 is out. Peace.